Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DoorDash app camera is not working, it can be a major problem because you won't be able to scan items, upload delivery photos, or complete certain steps during orders. You might open the camera inside the app and see a black screen, no response, or permission errors, which can make it difficult to continue your tasks. This issue is quite common and is usually related to app permissions, device settings, or temporary glitches rather than a hardware failure. Since the app relies on your phone's camera access, even a small setting being turned off can completely block it. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the DoorDash camera issue and get it working again. Try these. Step 1. Open phone settings and go to app permissions. Step 2. Enable camera access for the DoorDash app. Step 3. Close and reopen the app to refresh it. Step 4. Update the DoorDash app to the latest version. Step 5. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Step 6. Open the app and test if the camera is working properly.